Hi friends, welcome to TechPP. We are starting a new best app series on our YouTube channel where every Sunday we will bring you one useful and interesting app that is actually worth trying. And this is our first edition. For the first app, we have something that is a gold mine for content creators and even regular users. The app is called ContentCam. The biggest problem when recording videos today is recording for both platforms, vertically for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, or horizontally for YouTube and other platforms. ContentCam completely solves this problem. It lets you record both vertical and horizontal videos at the same time. So with one recording, you get two separate video files without having to shoot the same thing twice or crop your video later. I have been using this app for more than 2 days now, and so far my experience has been really good. The app very easy to use. Let me show you how it works. First, install ContentCam on your phone. It is available for free on Android through the Google Play Store, and you can also get it on iPhone through the App Store. Once you open the app, the first thing I recommend doing is turning on stabilization. For some reason, stabilization is turned off by default. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner, scroll down and enable stabilization. You can also enable other options from here. For instance, you can enable the grid, you can use the level, you can also enable the center marker and other useful camera controls. Once that is done, go back to the camera. On the main screen, you will see two camera previews. One preview is vertical and the other is horizontal. This means you can see exactly how your video will look in both formats before you even start recording. Below the previews, you also get controls for zoom and wide-angle lenses. You can use these controls to switch between the available camera lenses. There is also a layout option next to the shutter button. Tap on it and you can change how both camera previews are displayed on the screen. You also get a camera switching option which lets you switch between the front and rear cameras. The free version is actually more than enough for most people, but there are a few limitations. The biggest limitation is video quality. The free version supports recording up to HD. If you want 4K recording and higher quality options, you need to upgrade to the premium version. Some advanced manual camera controls are also locked behind the paid version. This includes controls such as color temperature, tint, ISO, and shutter speed. But if you simply want to record vertical and horizontal videos at the same time, the free version should be enough for most people. Once you finish recording, you can open your projects and save or export the videos. One small thing I noticed is that sometimes the direct save button does not clearly tell you whether the video has been saved. If that happens, simply tap the share button. From there, you can directly save the video or share it with another app. You can also tap the gallery icon at the top to see all your previous recordings. And that is pretty much ContentCam. For content creators, I genuinely think this is a gold mine. Instead of recording one video vertically and then recording the same thing again horizontally, you can simply record once and get both formats. Even if you are not a content creator, it can still be useful when you want one version for WhatsApp or Instagram and another version for watching on a larger screen. This is our first app in the new TechPP Best App series. Every Sunday, we will bring you another useful, interesting, or underrated app that you should try. I hope you found this video helpful. For more app recommendations and helpful tech tutorials, subscribe to our TechPP channel. And I will see you in the next one.